dolphins though?
Yeah.
I saw them this morning,
Dolphins.
and there were whales too. No, they were not. Lady, seriously? Lady, where are you from? Texas?
Texas.
This is Jeff Tolkien. He is the co-CEO of World Travel Holdings, our parent company, and it's so great to meet him.
It's great to be here.
Thanks, and say hi to Brad for me.
Hi, Brad.
To thank you all for being here, but mostly want to thank NCL for having us and for building this magnificent ship. I've told David Herrera and Harry Summer, you keep building them, we'll keep filling them.